today's video, Day! Kay Kim.
First up, optometry.
Wow!
Depende sa mode, sa quad, sa code, sa frame. Kani, magbangag og mga semi-rimless. Kinsa nag-semi-rimless? Wala yung semi-rimless. Kinsa nag-contact lens? Wala po. So kani siya, magbangag ni siya. Then, kani sa centering, kani bangag yan po ni, kani heater. Heater for the temple. Kana, same lang yan po na. Yung i-operate. Lagi, it's more fun sa opto. Tuo lang. Kaya kung man mo kuhan is, ninyo, kung work mo sa mall, kaya ka naman mag-choice sa opto. Actually, it's not working in the mall, Raf. Actually, wala tayo clinical setup. We're creating a setup na sa clinic, like most of the kind of outside sa mall. We're having a clinic setup na yun.
Second step, nursing.
So, welcome to the Mac Hospital. I know you've been nag-cross-by lang mo din siguro sa una. But this is the Mac Hospital. If you want to become registered nurses here in Southwestern, we don't only train you to become brownout. Adayon! Umaten to si Susie dito. So yung pa na to si Susie. We don't only teach you to become kanang academic learners, skilled workers, but we train you to become the best nurse that you can be. So not only to be a best nurse here in the Philippines, but in the global market. Because you know, nursing or nurses here in the Philippines kay mo in demand worldwide. Okay? Everywhere in the world that you go, it is always Filipino nurses kailangan gina-hire job.
Biyaan ra nila yung anak diri baby.
Naiyak talaga ako. Kasi miss ko na yung baby ko.
Around the me.
So you can see, Susie is a nursing, is a simulator. Siya din, I don't remember ko na.
What happened? Who are you?
Where are we going?
Right there. Lead the way, Maggie.
Jody's spaghetti.
So, pamuntanan ako sa mga estudyante kay ba mo sila? Yeah, radiology technologist. Ikayo o radio miss? Okay, ikayo na kay radio.
And again, we have what we call radiation protection and measurement. Magawa na ito enablers na ito po. So I must say, natin is professional.
Now we're at pharmacy. Let's go check it out.
Nasa pharmacy setting, dagan kayong pwede ninyo i-work. Let's say, kani very common to sa inyong eyes. Rose Pharmacy, Watson's, this is community pharmacy. Okay, so if di ka nag-work, community pharmacist ka. Okay. Now po, after I graduated, passed the board exam, nag-chongwas ako, hospital pharmacist naman ko siya. So, nadagan kayo ng fields. Community pharmacy, hospital pharmacist, we have regulatory, just like in a company direct as mga FDA, and then we also have manufacturing, mag-make yung mga medicine and stuff, mga nana. And then we also have academe, as you mentioned earlier. Academe, daghan pa. Very daghan pa. Be it like 5, 10, and then 15. More pa niya kailangan ng paliton. I-close din mo na siya. And then ang katong palit, so kanina rin mo ni ang paliton sa patient. Mo nang ibutan mo sa plastic or sa paper nga ligani. So after is imo siya i-pour. And then, mo na siya kanang ma-receive niyo sa nga nakatip or mabutan na like notebook, ikaw na siya yung dose. Ganun, ha? Okay. So, now, pag metformin 500 mg.
Where are we on to next?
We're on our way to OT and PT.
OTPT.
And physical.
So I'm here to talk to you about why physical therapy is nice, or why it's a growing profession here in the Philippines.
Is any one of you guys familiar with scoliosis? Yes. Sama ng scoliosis.
The curvature of the spine.
Correct. Abnormal curvature of the spine.
May na. Anak na. Pulganin na natin yung ihop na yung
Okay. Di ba argument mo genetics? So, one from your mother, one from your father, you get you. In this case, an A and an O is a O. Pero, na if mo react siya, that means positive. Mo react, positive na siya. Meaning ana is naka-ana nga sugar. Yes ra? Dili siya kinakasakit na.
Saan na sugar?
Yeah, specific sugar or kuan na?
Brown sugar daw, guys.
Lack of blood. D for gall. Kasi nag-form of mga small particles. Bijuhi RH. So you are O positive. O positive.
So, dito sa sudlon. Kuya, ako pa mo, dear.
Ay, hapon na
Ako na sa lunch ang samahan.
Okay, miss. Pala ka din.
Kira, lunch break na sa 1 p.m. resume ang math na department.
Yeah, where are we on to next?
Coming college ba yan? So, this is the Southwestern Colleges of School of Nursing in 1948.
For our next stop, we are here at the Swookenhua Veterinary Hospital.
Veterinary medicine, and it is Southwestern University Finmas Veterinary Hospital.
So, ano yung mga ates and kuya? Sila ang mag-demo in masaya ka kahit ako sa
So you're going to wrap your arm around the neck of the dog. So, para ma-still siya, di siya magsige o liho.
Once mo makafeel mo na mo bounce back, murag balon yan yung yan na. Muna na siya ang blood vessel.
So, nga nung mag-vaccinate man tayo mga
Ano?
Ang hero ang videohan ha.
That's autoclave. Murag gamit na siya for sterilizing things for ng mga use for surgery like surgical gowns, surgical instruments, and we don't use things.
Hindi na ka gusto magpa-picture-picture, pwede hold sa tools, dito ha. Take some picture. Kapit kayo dyan. Maganda na.
Where are we going? I don't know. Somewhere. Somewhere. I wanna. Somewhere. Where are you going? Where you going, bro? Home. For our last stop, we are here at the College of Dentistry.
Mga left and right, and sa left, waka mo, sa right, waka mo. Pabili lang mo.
Go. Hi, Zhang. Speechless yung ko. Ito na ba ang Calle Emiliano? Katong ganito sa kuwan, don't be. And that sums up our campus tour. Bye! Lindsay, among the 8 fields nga itong na-visit, unsa ang nag-stand out yun sa imo?
Medtech and nursing.
Nga naman? Visit. MJ, sa itong mga na-visit ron, kaya unsa yung nag-stand out yun mga course? Nga naman? Nice. Thumbs up, okay. Among the 8 courses nga itong na-visit today, unsa man ang field or course nga nag-stand out yun sa imo?
Ako? Memorable ang medtech na ko. Ngano? Ikuhan ko dugo pero walay ugat.
So, after the campus tour today, unsa man imong ganahan i-pursue sa college?
Medtech pa rin kasi dapat ko mahanap yung ugat na to.
Yeah, just be yourself. Follow your heart. I mean, not every time you need to follow your heart, but follow what you think is right for you. So just live your life while you are young. So I conclude, therefore I conclude na
Today's
pag enroll mo sa Southway guys para mag-suffer tayo tanan.